Okay, so here I've got the circuit board for the controller. Again, this is just for the test of the rocket. This won't actually launch. It's very similar though. It's got all the analog inputs, the thermocouple inputs, as well as digital outputs over here that will control the main valves. The main difference is going to be that on the flight hardware, there's also going to be gyroscopes, accelerometers, magnetometers for tracking purposes. Now, as I mentioned before, I've got the digital chip already installed right here in the middle. And I got the programming for that working, so I know it works. So now I'm going to go ahead and solder on the chips that convert load cell output into an analog signal, which then feeds into the analog chip. I've got 2 of the load cell chips already soldered on here, and I'm just going to go ahead and do the third one now. First thing is to apply a little bit of flux, make sure it sticks. Get a little dab of solder. Okay. Here's this tiny little chip. And as always, gotta make sure it goes the right way. This way. Yeah, if you get it on the wrong direction, it's not so great for the circuitry. Okay. There. Just get it tacked in place. And go ahead and solder on all the leads. And there it is. That's the load cell chip. That's pretty much it. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, testing those out. And I also added the thermocouple chips down here. I'm going to try to program those tonight too, and see how they go.